The Mentor Work program at Bonnie Brae is a program that's designed to connect students with other adults in the community, whether it's teachers or retired teachers or George Mason University students. And this is a platform for students to be able to share a lunch weekly with a mentor, have a fun activity, or just someone that they can bounce ideas off of or share their highs and lows. So it's really supposed to be a strong support system.
I think the most proud that I am of this mentoring program is that the chemistry between all the mentors and mentees are just so meant to be. But I think we go above and beyond really as mentors. We really do try to facilitate that rapport continuously. I mean, our goal is to be with that child as long as they are at Bonnie Brae. We do go above and beyond to try to pay attention to what our mentees need. And most of the time it's just attention and just that extra kind of care. And we do try to pay attention to that and facilitate that as well.
And you learn a lot also being a mentor. Not only are you teaching to the mentee, but you're also being taught different things from the mentee as well. And it's lasting memories and it's fun.